Hi, I have an exciting travel plan to share with you. Imagine this, you and I are in beautiful Sydney, Australia, having the time of our lives. Let me tell you all about it. We will go to Sydney from August 1st to 7th, 2025. It will be just the two of us, like a best friend adventure. It's winter in Australia during August, but don't worry, it's not too cold. The weather will be perfect for sightseeing. There, there are so many exciting things we will do in Sydney. We'll explore the Sydney Opera House and we will excitedly watch a live performance at Bondi Beach. We can bravely try surfing for the first time. And we will hike in the Blue Mountains, and the tour guide will kindly explain the history and nature there. Of course, we will also try delicious local food like meat pies and Tim Tam. Sydney. Okay. Did you know Sydney used to be a British colony? Today it's a modern and diverse city, but you can still experience Aborig- Aboriginal culture there, and Australians love using fun slang. For example, when you say thank you, they often reply, no worries, it means you're welcome. Here are some important tips. We must try meat pies. They are really famous in Sydney. And we must not forget to bring sunscreen. Even in winter, the sun is strong in Australia. We need to buy an uppercut for bus and trains, and we have to visit Tarragona Zoo. That's where we can rear kangaroos and koalas. Before, okay, before we go, I have some friendly advice. We should wear comfortable shoes. We will work around. We had better exchange money at the airport just in case. Maybe we can bring a nice camera to capture our trip, and perhaps we could take a local food tour to try new cities together. I already excited just thinking about it. This is going to be an amazing trip. I hope we can really go together soon. Thank you.